Vienna. Welcome to Vienna, the capital of Austria, and one of the most livable cities in the world. It attracts millions of visitors every year. Some admire its architecture and enjoy the shopping during the day, while others enjoy romantic walks through this vibrant city at night. A top starting point for travelers is St. Stephen's Cathedral from the 12th century, which took 65 years to complete. Its roof and artwork itself is made of 230,000 glazed tiles of different colors, which on the south side represent the double-headed eagle, the symbol of the Austrian Empire under the rule of Habsburgs. Its tower, the tallest in Vienna, served also as a watchtower during sieges and battles. Vienna is also famous for its opera and art galleries. Visit a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, the Belvedere Palace, which is a home to the most famous painting of Gustav Klimt, named The Kiss, and the Kunsthistorisches Museum, where you can admire Caravaggio's painting, David with the Head of Goliath, or Peter Bruegel's The Tower of Babel. In stunning contrast to the historic buildings, there is Prater Amusement Park, with its almost 65-meter-tall giant Ferris wheel, constructed in 1893, one of Vienna's most famous symbols. Would you like to taste a typical Austrian dish? We recommend Vienna Schnitzel and the original Sackertorte, the famous Austrian chocolate cake, thinly coated with top-quality apricot jam. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.